Imagine a book written over 1,400 years ago by a man who couldn't read or write, yet it contains knowledge about our world that science is only now discovering. Today, we'll reveal 5 incredible scientific miracles in the Qur'an, and trust me, you'll want to watch till the end, because the last one will blow your mind. If you care about spreading the truth and helping people who might never see a mosque in their life, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Together, we can give dawah to millions. These signs weren't discovered by scientists until centuries later, but the Qur'an had already laid them out. Let's uncover these mind-blowing truths and see why this book could only come from the one who created everything. First up, the Qur'an describes the stages of human embryonic development in astonishing detail. Knowledge completely unknown to humans in the 7th century. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, Allah says, "We created man from a drop of fluid, then made it into a clinging clot, then into a lump." The Arabic word al-akha means something that clings, like how the embryo attaches to the uterine wall. Then Mudga describes a chewed-like lump, which modern embryology shows resembles somite formation. Dr. Keith Moore, a pioneer in embryology, was so amazed he included Quranic references in his textbooks, saying the descriptions matched modern science. Number 2, the Quran speaks of an invisible barrier between 2 bodies of water. In Surah Ar-Rahman, Allah says, "He has let the 2 seas flow freely. They meet, yet there is a barrier between them. They do not transgress." Oceanographers today know that when salt water and fresh water meet, they don't immediately mix due to differences in density, temperature, and salinity, creating a stable barrier called a halocline. How could anyone in the 7th century living in the desert describe this so perfectly? Third miracle. The Quran hinted at the expansion of the universe long before. Edwin Hubble discovered it in 1929. In Surah Al-Dhariyat, Allah says, "And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander." Modern cosmology confirms space itself is stretching, causing galaxies to move away from each other. Scientists even call it the metric expansion of space. For a 7th century text to mention this, it's beyond coincidence. Miracle 4. The Quran describes mountains as stabilizers for the earth. In Surah An-Naba, Allah says, "Have we not made the earth as a bed and the mountains as pegs?" Geologists have found that mountains have deep roots underground, like pegs or stakes, and play a crucial role in stabilizing the earth's crust, a concept called isostasy. This knowledge was only understood in the past century, but the Quran had it right all along. And finally, this one is mind-blowing. The Quran says iron was sent down. In Surah Al-Hadid, Allah says, "And we sent down iron, in which is great military might." Scientists have confirmed that the heavy element iron didn't form on Earth. It was forged in massive stars and supernovae, then delivered here by meteorites, literally sent down from space. How could the Quran get it so accurately? These are just 5 of the many scientific miracles of the Quran. Signs that this book could only come from the Creator, who knows every detail of the universe. If you found this video eye-opening, don't keep it to yourself. Like, subscribe, and share, because you might be the reason someone learns the truth and finds Islam, especially those living far from mosques or Muslim communities. Together, let's spread the light of guidance to every corner of the world. May Allah reward you for every person you help guide. See you in the next video, inshallah.